Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to focus on something that can improve the efficiency of all your dashboard. It's cleaning and optimizing your data model with an external tool, call it Measure Killer. Many times our Power BI dashboards end up with column, measures and connection that they are no longer in use. This is not only maintenance harder, but also slow down the performance and increase data model so many times. So that's why today we will see how to use Measure Killer and how to find and safely remove unnecessary elements, making your data model much more efficient. Let's go. Measure Killer is an external tool that analyzes all your dashboard in Power BI desktop and tell you which columns are no longer being used, which measure is no longer being used also, where are elements that has indirect connection, and allow you to safely clean up all your data model. This tool has two versions. The one is free that allow you to remove columns and measure and analyze the semantic model. That's what we want. And another one that is paid version that has advanced capability that allow you to analyze Fabric, Excel, and composite models. First of all, we need to go to runner.bi Measure Killer and scroll down to find the portable version and download it. It's simple to run and doesn't require any complex installation. Once you install the application, for using Measure Killer, you have to make sure to have the Power BI report open. In my case, I'm going to use the example dashboard that from the video that made Shaper, that one. Well, inside the app, you need to load the open dashboard, click Run, and Measure Killer will analyze everything: connection, measure, columns, and relationship. Well, once the analysis is done, you will see colors called summary. With red, there are elements like columns and measure that they are not being used, and also yellow, elements used indirectly, like for example a measure inside another one. To clean up, go to Kill DAX Artifact. Here you can delete all unused measure or select specific one to remove. In our example, we will delete all unused measure. It's easier. Well, click in Kill and they are gone. You don't have it anymore on your dashboard in Power BI Desktop. For columns, we use Kill Columns. This generates an M code that allows you to remove unused column directly in Power Query Editor, making the report faster and lighter. And sometimes we mess up and delete something in error. Don't worry, it's not a problem. Measure Killer allows you to restore section where you can review all the delete elements and bring them back just with this click. And that's it. And now you have a cleaner, faster, and more efficient Power BI data model. If you like this video, don't forget, please just like, subscribe, and see you on next video. Bye bye.